Hey, entrepreneur, marketer, or whatsoever you are. So I know you are someone who is sharing links regularly on internet. Who does not? Like I share ton of links on a daily basis. So so we kind of use a URL shortener that's very popular these days. That's called Bitly. So actually, I'm using it from a very long time. Like if I want to just short this particular URL, put that in and click on shorten it. So I will get this particular Bitly link. So what I am going to do, I'm going to share it on internet. But from a marketing point of perspective and very advanced thing, if you want to do with these things, then I'm having a very good alternative for you, a very good uh, thing that I found out that's called Switchy.io. So I'm using Switchy from last 2 months and the experience with it is very good. Actually, I loved this particular tool, and this is also available as a lifetime deal on appsumo.com. That cost around, I think, $49. Okay, $39. It's cost around $39, and most of 5-star ratings are there. So let me show you some of their pricing, where you will get 30,000 clicks and 8 custom domains and blah 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 blah. So that's not something about our review, but today I'm going to dive into this particular tool called Switchy, and let me see what are their pricing plans as of now. And I'm also going to show you their roadmap. Where it is, here is the roadmap. Okay, so let's start. So Switchy normally charges about $47 a month. That's a lot if you compare it to the lifetime deal, and we will get 10,000 clicks. In lifetime deal, we are getting 30,000 clicks. So that's a lot. So this is particular plan of Switchy. So I'm not going to talk more about over here. So let me do login. So this is my client's account. So this is mine account. Let me log in. Okay, save it up. Select your workplace where I am. Okay. Actually, I'm on a pricing page. I have to go to this particular login page. This seems to have this not worked out. Actually, I'm facing this first time ever. So now I will be logged into to my account. So actually, this is my Suchi account. So as you can see, so they're having a very clean interface. So they're having this particular Switchy, and here you can manage links. Here you can get help center. Here's your account details. So in account you can build a team. You can invite your team member, like I invited one over here. You can do referral marketing, like 30% recurring commissions. When this lifetime deal got end, I will replace the link with this. Then the billing. So billing is particular. I did approximately 154 link clicks this month, and I'm using one custom domain as of now. And here I can add some users and modify my password. So that's all for this particular account section. If I go into settings, you can set up your custom domains. As of now, I set up this sharehouse.link. So I am redirecting it to the link tree. The 404 and the home is redirected to link tree because I do not want to waste my traffic. So let me show you what happened when someone go to this particular link. So they got redirected to this particular link. If it's 404 or broken page, so here they can schedule a paid consulting call. They can get a they can listen my podcast. They can read this. They can go to my blog. They can listen to my story. And as you can see, I have added there is a UTM tracking code, so I can track from where people are coming. So mainly I'm using it for Instagram, so I have to change it up, but the source is Insta, so that defines the Instagram. So that's my personal domain. So that's all about it. And it using Switch is very easy. Just you need to put this particular CNAME into your DNS record. So they're having a very detailed guide upon that on GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare. So you can do it everywhere. So they're having very good record. And currently I'm using Cloudflare. So yeah, actually for DNS I use Cloudflare for all of my websites. So that's about it. In pixels you can add your Facebook pixel. That's very beneficial for retargeting your audience. Like in Facebook pixel, I inserted Google Analytics, I inserted Facebook, I inserted two Google Analytics. I don't know which one it. Okay, it's for my sharehouse.com site. And you can add new pixels as well. You can target Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Quora, Snapchat, Pinterest, Bing, AdRoll, Nexus. Everything is here. Beneficial. But I will also recommend them, if someone from Switch is watching, then please add a custom script option there as well, because maybe we want to add some custom script for that. So you can consider adding that option here. So here you can add your UTM tracking template. So my template is medium is social media, the campaign is social media, medium is profile, and link source is Twitter. So how I am leveraging it, let me show you how I am leveraging it. So let me go to Twitter. Okay, so SurfSaaS profile, I recently retweeted one of my tweet over here. So this is my profile. So okay, so here you can see sharas.link/blog. So when someone click on this particular link, what will happen is it's like they got redirected to this, then they got to this. Then there is a UTM template that help me to track how many people are clicking on the link. So this is okay, guys. I don't know what happened. So let me repeat the thing. Actually, the recording got stopped. So what happened is when someone click on this particular link is so it's very. I'm a person who loves to do a split testing and who loves to get deep data about everything, like how many people are visiting my profile. So I can give you some that stats as well for my Twitter as well, but this is something that I do. So now I'm created this particular UTM template. So when someone click on it, like here I have added Twitter. So for LinkedIn, I will be having LinkedIn. For Facebook, I will be having Facebook. For every different social media network, I'm having everything differently. Like I'm like passing this data, I'm using that data very differently. Add to that, when someone click on this particular link, they got added to my Facebook pixel. So they are inside my Facebook retargeting list. So what that is, I will explain in the end part of this video, but just suppose I can show them ads when they visit my website or do anything. So now I'm here, as you can see, how many 3 Facebook pixel that triggering. One is master pixel, current pixel, and sharehouse.com's pixel. So that's advanced concept, I will not talk about that. So now when someone click on that link, you can check out this pixel helper and you can see the pixel are triggering over here. So this helped me to track out how many people are clicking on my link. I also got a retargeting list as well. So that's all about this particular UTM tracking. So as you can see, I'm for LinkedIn, for Instagram, I'm having also as well. And then some next thing is embeddable widgets. Actually, this is something very crazy where you can see like you can integrate it into Chrome Crisp and tons of things like embed YouTube videos. So you can do this as well, but I have not used this feature yet, so I can't comment on that how it's like working. So privacy pop-ups, for GDPR, you can add this particular privacy pop-up. So as you can see here is my privacy policy and I set up everything. Here is the API key. So I will not show you my API key, but it's something where like help you to integrate the API key. Okay, let me click on that. I have not generated that yet. So let me show you the API doc. So this is something like, and it's ready to open for partner. Socialbee is currently doing integration for all. It will be open in 7 days. So okay, it's over a week. So they are soon, since they are new into the market, they are launching this particular thing. And I show you account. So let me go into the main section of it. So as you can see, I'm having tons of links with Switchy. As you can see, tons of link. So for short pixel, I got 2 clicks. So I used it inside my YouTube video description. For join SurfSaaS community, I'm getting approximately how much 20 clicks I got. So this is inside my profile, Facebook profile, where I am recommending people to join SurfSaaS community. So you can join SurfSaaS community as well. So link will be sharehouse.link/community will be given inside the description. Sorry. So now I'm promoting this particular thing called Public Connect, G Suite, Messenger bot. It's for ManyChat, Facebook Ad Score, SwitchPod. So I created this some custom links over here. I'm using it from, like, let me show you the dates. 3 September, October. Okay, approximately 2 months. Like I am have using it from a long time, but I have not used it yet. Even my clients are using it. Even seems to have, they are also having a Facebook Pixels, which is also getting the audience over here. So now let me show you. So you can add different workplaces according to that. So I'm having a default workplace. We are into the default. Then I'm having a YouTube workplace. So actually we are into the also in default. I am having links that are not congregated. That's general links all over the world. So the YouTube template, I have not added a link yet, but there are a few links that I need to add, like uh, okay, I will show that to you later. So shahrabs.com, so that's something that I'm leveraging. Shahrabs.link/blog. That's for my Twitter. I'm very much active on Twitter. That's why I'm having 175 clicks. So let me show you the analytics as well now. So here you can copy the link, share the link. Here you can just see what will the preview when this will be posted inside social media. And this is download QR code. So you can have this particular QR code and people scan, they can get your links. So very beneficial for offline. edit this link, duplicate this link, you can duplicate this particular, everything inside will be duplicated. You can just change the source URL. It's very beneficial for your UTM template and Facebook ads thing, right? So let me show you some stats. Okay, where the stats are. Okay, so first of all, let me close this particular tab, right? Then I will. So I am having 175 link clicks, 129 unique users inside that, and 13 referrers, and 2 devices and from 9 countries. Wow. In September, I got most of my clicks because I was super active there. Maybe that's the reason. So my link clicks are for Canada, from California, from Sweden, from India, from Malvania, from France, from Germany. So my link clicks are from my Telegram channel, from my Shiraz.link and other sources. Okay. Okay. Romania, United States, as you can see, everything is over here. So as you can see, this is a particular very good graph. So you can see where people are clicking your links. Browsers, which browsers are they using? Shiraz.com, Master Pixel, the targeting pixels I added. Then the operating system, they are using this particular operating system and the UTM template. So this is very beneficial. I also can also see this inside analytics, but this is something that I'm leveraging as of now. This is the report. Now let me click create a quick link. So I am having this particular doc created for you. Let's suppose I want to promote this particular plugin called TubeBuddy. So what I will do, I will copy this particular link. So I will paste this over here. Let me switch this off. So now I want to switch. So I will click on switch it button. So now Switchy will ask me, okay, so Shehraj, you have this particular link. Now what do you want to do with it? Like, what do you want to do? So now actually I want to, like they said, this is the link that you are, where people are going to land. You want to add a retargeting pixel. So I'm going to promote, I'm not going to promote this as of now, but maybe I will promote this on SurfSaaS blog. So I want this to be tracked inside my SurfSaaS Facebook pixel. Then this is something, and I can change the title from here. TubeBuddy, the premium management and optimization toolkit, uh, recommended by Shehraj. TubeBuddy, the best YouTube optimization and toolkit recommended by Shehraj Singh. By Shehraj. So this is something that you can add off. So I do not want to change that. So here you can add your custom UTM template. So this is something that you used for UTM term in Google AdWords, like a UTM term here. It's like it's in Google AdWords. This is campaign. This is profile. This is something I'm using, and I'm not using UTM content, but it's very beneficial if you are doing advertising mainly. So form template, like these are some templates that I am having. So what is the custom domain you want to have? Let's suppose I want to have this as TubeBuddy. Like let's suppose if you want to check out TubeBuddy, you can go through this link that we are creating as of now. So where you want to add, so let's suppose this is a video for SurfSaaS. I want to add this inside SurfSaaS folder. So where you want, okay, advanced settings. So do you want to you want to add some tags? So I'm not having add some tags over here. So like this will help you to purify. Like let's suppose I am having a tag for AppSumo. I don't know. Okay, I'm having a tag for AppSumo inside the members area. So it's helping to like, okay, these are the AppSumo deals that are going on. If it's some deal expired, I will replace that with the normal link, the best deal link. So here you can add some routers. Okay, so what kind of router? I want my 50% of traffic will go to this particular link. So 50-50, I like 50% traffic here, 50% traffic there. This is very beneficial. Let's suppose you are running a community, like you are doing A/B testing, right? There are two different thank you pages where you want to send the people. So here you can do the A/B testing. So this particular thing will help you to do the A/B testing, like 50% traffic on that page, 50% on that page. Let's suppose you are adding people inside the two communities, then you can add 50% traffic there, 50% traffic there. That's very good for A/B testing. So they are also having a help docs. You can refer to that. So they're having GDPR pop-up. You want to enable it or not? Then they're having a geo location redirection. This is something very beneficial for me actually. So let's suppose I'm having this. Okay, let's suppose I'm having this particular active campaign account. So I'm having 22 active subscribers. So emails are over here, but let me give you a quick example. Okay, so let's suppose I'm having 22 active email subscribers. So now let's suppose I'm having 22 email subscribers. Now what I used to do is, like, I congregate that particular, I send the same emails, but what I do, like, for now what I used to do is, in the earlier part, like, I send one email for Indian audience to give them my InstaMojo link of my product. So InstaMojo is a local Indian payment gateway, and the second will be a Stripe link, or my card platform link, let's suppose. It can be anything, right? So I used to do that. But what if you just add, okay, so I want this link if someone is from India, and I want this particular link if someone is from, let's suppose, Malaysia. So you're having two local platforms, and the other all links will be redirected to this particular, the default link, that's this one. So this is something that you can do leverage. For Indian you can audience, you are going to have this link. For Malaysian you can have this link. So that's also very beneficial thing that you can do. And this is something called Favicon. So Favicon is nothing but this particular icon. So you can add your Favicon. So let me go to my website and pick up my add my Favicon over there. So but you need to do nothing. You need a URL of your Favicon that you can't host. Okay, you can host this over here as well by clicking this upload button, but I will do it off from here. Okay, I want this particular Favicon. I want to copy this URL, paste this over here. So this will be Favicon on this URL. So that's all. And click on get my link. Link is creating. Let's wait and let me copy it off. So now let me share it on my Twitter. Okay, I typed wrong, I think. Yeah, Twitter. Let me share it to my Twitter. So so okay, I'm not having, this is actually SurfSaaS Chrome user account, so I can't do something over here. So TubeBuddy, I'm using it from a long time. TubeBuddy is something that we are using for, let me add this over here, for that we are using for our YouTube channel management. YouTube channel management. Guys, please ignore any kind of noises. Actually, I'm listening. I don't know. So @TubeBuddy is something that we are using for our YouTube channel management. Awesome tool. Wow. Just something like that. So as you can see, the best YouTube recommended by Sharaz Singh. As you can see, so you can change this particular thing as well inside that, but I do not change this. So you can change it off. Let me change it off. If in SurfSaaS it will be, I will click on edit. So you can just click on this upload new picture, and you can upload this, change this as well. So for more personalization, you can add something like thumbnail or something, right? So what happen is, let me tweet it off. I just twisted this particular. TubeBuddy is something that we are using for our YouTube channel management. Now I will click. Now this will also give a mention to TubeBuddy team as well. So now if I click on this particular URL, keep eye over here. Just let me open it up. So as you can see, my Facebook pixel got activated over here, and we are here. So it's a very good thing. Like, I really love the idea. And as you can see, this is called Shahraj. So this is my affiliate link. So when then, like, let's suppose someone clicked on this particular link and installed TubeBuddy, then what will happen is I will receive a commission. That's my affiliate link. Yeah, so that's all. But I do not want this tweet to be over here. Let me delete it off. Since we are not having followers, I don't know where this got reached or not. So okay, so that's particular about this Switchy. Now let me add this particular extension, and you can add. Okay, though. So we covered everything, and for now we covered this workplace model. So workplace, actually, this is for sharaz.com, and you can have separate folders. You can congregate it, but it does not too much for me because I'm having a separate account, a company account as well in Switchy. So we are doing most things over here, but this is my personal account, so I'm not leveraging too much here. So now let's go to the public roadmap of Switchy. So they're having a very quick thing like how this roadmap helps. So you can also recommend something over here. If you are like, high community, the roadmap is the buffer transfer roadmap. So they're having everything in progress, what exactly it is. So you can have everything over here. So let's suppose they are working on link CTA, link expiration, link with password, link analytics, link messenger links, update all pixel, VK pixel, Chrome plugin. Wow, They are also launching a Chrome work. They are working on it. Midterm roadmap, they are having a pixel integration. Okay, custom pixel or own custom mean. They are also having that JavaScript model coming as well. So well, let's suppose, let me click on that. Look, what exactly it is. Yeah. Okay, they are not having anything right now. For the long-term plan, they are having Mailjet integration, WordPress integration. Maybe WordPress integration. Let's suppose maybe we can use that for pretty links. Currently, I'm using pretty links for the custom URLs of SurfSaaS.com. Let's pause this particular URL. Let's SurfSaaS.com/go/shortpixel. So maybe we can use that. That's pretty cool. So weekly stat email QR template. QR template is already done. I think I don't know what it exactly they are talking about. Buffer integration, Missinglettr integration, zipper integration. They are ads manager. They are already having ads manager, right? Backlog. Okay, it's a backlog. Got it. Got it. Got it. So what next? They have done this in September. They added the custom event preview, bulk deletion, loading speed optimization. They also done the social integration, Publer integration. Publer is something that I am having. I will review that as well. So like they are having a very good roadmap. So you can follow that. Definitely they are coming up with the WordPress plugins. So this is a worthwhile decision to go into. So now we are at the last step. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this for your custom audience. So like this, I'm having this particular custom audience, 30 days sign up for newsletter. So this is something that triggers when someone signs up for SurfSaaS newsletter on thank you page, this particular pixel trigger. So currently I'm not promoting it because I am creating some content like this particular video for the SurfSaaS user. But yeah, as you can see on SurfSaaS pixel is active, and when someone got to this URL, they got to be cached in. So let me create one as well. So let me click on custom audience. Okay, so in website, my internet is little bit slow today. So I want all website visitors. I want some people who visit a specific page, and this will be URL. So let me add this type. Uh, I don't want this because this is contained. The URL that begins with this will be added inside. So it can be anything in the and the last. Okay, so URL that begins with this. So this. Okay. So this also includes something like this. If some the random stuff is there, that will be also counted. So I'm using it for like maybe I'm using some UTM codes or something. So people who visited this page in let's suppose last 180 days, I want to keep them there. So I will create this, give a meaningful name that for my 180 TubeBuddy TB TBuddy link TBuddy clicks. So that's something a meaningful name for me. TBuddy clicks. So let me create audience. Okay, so custom audience is created. As you can see, create a lookalike audience. I can create a lookalike audience, or I can create an ad around that those people. So let's suppose I'm not using that. Let's suppose I shared an article on my Facebook profile, and that something goes viral and people are clicking over it. So that people already know me. So I can show them a particular ad to them as well. This is the power of Switchy, guys. The ultimate URL tool that you can consider. I'm also using this particular called ShortPixel for my blog management, because if I hosted this particular domain on Switchy, then I will not be able to host this particular domain on like this particular domain. So that's all for this particular Switchy review. If you like this particular Switchy review, then you can give the thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment below if you're having any query, and you can subscribe to this particular channel as well. By the way, you can also go to SurfSaaS.com to subscribe to the newsletter to get hot SaaS deals like Switchy straight into your inbox. And before I end this particular video, let me open the appsumo.com and show you something. So actually they used to look like this with the internet is pretty changed. This is, I think, when they launched it. Like even Facebook integration interface is pretty little bit changed from that time. I think they are running this still from last 1 year. I don't know until that time this will be running. As you can see in 2020, buy it. I love the own custom links and never set it up. So that's all for this particular video, guys. If you like this Switchy review, then please give the thumbs up, and yeah, that's all for this particular video. So if you like this Switchy, then you can purchase it using my affiliate link, and the affiliate link will be shiraz.link/Switchy. I think I am already having that one. Let's see if that open. No, I'm not having. That's 404 over here. So that's all for this particular review of Switchy, guys. If you like this particular review, you know you need to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you so much.